Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Drive for file management inside your no-code app, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Google Drive, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type drive.google.com and press enter. If you already have a Google account, click on the Go to Drive button. For new users, click on Create Account. Choose whether you are setting up a personal account or for business. Fill in the required fields with your first name, last name, and desired email address. If you prefer, you can also create a new Gmail address. Next, enter a strong password and confirm it. Click on the Next button to proceed. You will be prompted to provide your phone number for account security. Enter your phone number and click on Next to receive a verification code. Once you receive the code via SMS, enter it in the provided field. Click Verify to confirm your phone number. Now, you'll be asked to provide a recovery email address for account recovery. Fill in the recovery email address, if you have one, and click Next. Next, enter your date of birth and select your gender. Click Next after filling in these details. You'll then be presented with Google's privacy and terms. Take a moment to read through the document. Once familiar, click on the I agree button. Your account is now created, and you'll be directed to Google Drive. You can start uploading files by clicking on the New button. Select File Upload or Folder Upload, depending on your needs. Locate the files on your computer you wish to upload and select them. Click Open to begin the upload process. Once the upload is complete, your files will be available in your Google Drive. To manage your files, you can create folders for better organization. Click on the New button again and select Folder. Name your folder and click Create. You can now drag and drop files into this folder for easier management. To share files with others, right-click on the file and select Share. Enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to share with. Adjust their permissions to either view, comment, or edit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.